I would say this is about 10 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour, maybe 20 miles an hour.
Oh no, I can't watch it. It gives me motion sickness. So I can't turn off the rear. Can you turn? I can't turn off the heat back there. Can you turn it off? Thank you. There's probably a way, but I just don't know how to do it.
And right there's the other mini gate. Although, why don't they just put a single light on both these mini gates right here? Just a single light.
I don't know why. Or even a reflector.
So that, like, at night. Although, obviously, though you would probably still see those flashing red lights, or you would hear the train. But assuming if you're deaf, well, if you're deaf, you can then still see the flashing, things.
What the heck is that number doing there? That's Daddy's old phone number. That's weird.
I think it might be back from 2014. Yep, but the train's over.
Yeah, I can't do anything anymore.
And right there's a train, of course, for them. The thing's still going on. The party's still going on for them.
The party. Oh, tell me you're gonna turn right. Oh, frick.
But yeah, that's it.
There's both.